Hi friends, welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is AI tutorials for beginners. In today's episode, we will learn what is an AI agent. We hear this word very often nowadays, so it's important to start from the very basics to understand what exactly is an AI agent. So, in short, we can say that an AI agent is an intelligent software entity which is capable of perceiving its environment and taking autonomous actions and decisions to achieve certain specific goals. An AI agent will process input data, analyze patterns, and make smart decisions using AI models. It will interact with users or systems via text, voice, or visual interfaces. They are designed to learn, adapt, and self improve, which is what differentiates really an AI agent from a RPA. Now, some of these common use cases could be in chatbots, coding assistants, automation tools, and business workflows. So, what are some of the features of AI agents? AI agents are meant to be autonomous decision making bodies, which means given input models to them, they can act without human constant intervention. They have the learning capability, which means the AI agents can improve their own performance using the machine learning models and AI patterns. It's natural interaction, which means the communication happens via text or voice or like a human like manner. In fact, we can also have a AI agent talk to another AI agent via MCP models. Environment awareness, which means AI agents observe context and reacts intelligently. AI agents can be easily integrated with APIs, other apps, data systems, or even, like I said, to other AI agents. AI agents will prioritize actions for maximum efficiency through task optimization. They are secure and reliable because they operate under certain ethical and security boundaries defined in the models. What are some of the common use cases of AI agents? AI agents can be commonly found as chatbots in customer support, coding assistant tools like GitHub Copilot, Tab9, which are helping developers. You can also see the business workflow and process automation for marketing, sales, HR, financing, taxing, healthcare, etc. AI agents can help in summarizing, cleaning, visualizing data automatically, which is data analysis kind of a work. It can also be extended to a bigger, larger work like scientific research, healthcare research, etc. AI tutors offering personalized learning experiences in the field of education. It improves personal productivity by smart scheduling, reading emails, responding to emails, reminders, and task management. I talked about finance and trading a little bit earlier, which is automated stock and crypto trades, or even processing the entire tax forms, and much more. What are the benefits of AI agents? They increase productivity by automating repetitive and manual tasks. AI agents can save time and cost across business operations. AI agents helps in enhancing the accuracy and decision making with data driven insights. Since AI agents implement continuous learning, that means the outcomes will become smarter over time. It helps in improving user engagement with personalized and human like interactions. AI agents can easily scale to handle millions of tasks or users simultaneously. AI agents integrate seamlessly into the existing systems, applications, and workflows. Thank you so much. This was part one. I'll keep bringing you this entire series of AI tutorials for beginners. Make sure that you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and continue to support me and my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.